Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic, beautiful day today. Right here in front of us, we got our hands on the newest pair of Ray-Bans. These are unisex Ray-Bans. And just like all my videos, top link in the description box right below the video will be this exact same pair of Ray-Bans where you guys can pick them up yourself and read more about them. The company does give you a nice little case here with a microfiber cloth, cleaning spray, a couple little tools in there, etc. Very cool, but you have come for the Ray-Bans. Now I will link these exact same pair once again in the description box below, but they are the nylon unisex sunglasses, and the model number is RB4171, also Ray-Ban 4171. So you get a brown case with these ones as well. I don't know if all Ray-Bans are going to a brown case now, but I have noticed the last couple pairs that I have had. They do have a brown case, typical case that you are used to, but it's just brown now. I kind of like the brown. Okay, you got your little manual here, and then you have your Ray-Ban microfiber cloth. And let's go ahead and take a look at the Ray-Bans here. Let's remove that plastic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very beautiful tortoise shell. Now these are going to be a little bit thinner. I'm going to show you them on my face, but these are going to be really, really nice if you kind of like a more of a thinner look to them. You got a very kind of a, I wouldn't say dark gunmetal, but as we can see there with my hand blocking it a little bit, where you can kind of see the coloring of the earpieces. And there is a Ray-Ban logo right here by my thumb, but it's very hard to see on camera. And then coming down to kind of more of like a chocolate brown kind of a earpiece here. And you have all your writing in the inside, Ray-Ban, made in Italy, model numbers, etc. Now, if you are wondering, they do not go outwards, so the hinges don't flex outwards. They only, of course, fold in, but they are pretty flexible, but I wouldn't bend those too much. Coming back around to the front, and again, these are the polarized ones, so once again, that exact same pair will be linked in the description box below. Notice the tortoise shell right between the little eyepieces there, as you can see the sun coming in as well as up here. And of course, your Ray-Ban P for polarized lenses. And then coming around to this side here. And so I really like the colors of the lenses and the tortoise shell. That looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and show you them on. Now, the lenses are very, very nice. These lenses are particularly, they're kind of more of a, I'd say brownish up here as I'm looking through, and then they kind of go more gray down here. It's very subtle, but I like the different look to it here. Now, I have a large German nose, so this is going to give you kind of the features with your particular face. As you can see, I have a more longer profile and a large nose. It's just the way I'm built, the way God designed me, and it's all greasy beezy, baby. So as you can see here, I kind of have a thin, longer face, so it sits just right here, and then nice and thin going around the back of the ear here. So again, if you're looking for more sun protection, let's say right here, then check out the Mega Wayfarers. They have a very large branch, I'm just going to call it right here. But these, again, are very kind of minimalistic, very thin. So you will be exposed. If you're worried about crow's feet, just kind of keep that in mind. But I love the look of them. You can see my eyes a little bit. But if you kind of pull back in different lighting, then you can't, then you can. They're a very light sunglasses as well. They don't feel heavy at all. They're very, very light if you are wondering about that. Now, so hair, sunglasses, different features that I have, etc. Let me show you kind of a more beanie look to it here. If you're kind of looking for that hipster look, that's how they look right there. Coming around for a nice slow tilt. Again, the polarized lenses. I think they look really good. Even with my features, I like the shape of them, how they kind of come up and over and around the tortoise shell. Lightly see my eyes, not too over the top. I'm going to take the dog for a walk. It's really sunny outside with snowy conditions. Alrighty, sports fans, loving the glasses. Polarized lenses are very, very nice. Inside the car, taking some hikes, some walks. Out here where I personally am in the mountains. Also some snow reflectiveness with the polarized lenses once again. Forgive my stunningly beautiful hair, but again, just giving you a couple options here with that beautiful personal. I really like the look of them. Overall, thumbs up in my book. Once again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same pair of Ray-Bans where you guys can pick them up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, tech videos, DIY home projects. I did all of this myself, hanging chandeliers, accent walls, cute puppy videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. We'll see you on the next one. My name's Chris.